Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So now I'm gonna show you how to backup files using DLC boot whenever the OS is crashed. So let's see guys. So first we will load the DLC boot ISO file in our virtual machine CD. Go to CD-ROM. I will choose my ISO file. It's already been loaded. So okay. Now we will go to the BIOS setup and we will change the boot priority order, and then we will boot this stuff. Go to boot option, CD-ROM, change to the first option here. Exit cancel changes. So now we are booting from the USB. Now we will use the temporary OS like I am the 10 Windows 10 that has been crashed. So I have to back up my file using mini Windows 10. So I will actually first show you how to back up files in the C drive, because many people don't know how to back up files on C drive. From other drive it's simple. So like D drive and E drive, just go there and copy and paste in an external hard drive. I'll just tell you how to find the C drive files. So my Windows 10 has been loaded. With this tool there are many things we can do, but first now we will just back up files. So you can see my C drive. Still machine I didn't have the other drives, it's only showing C drive. Then machine will show D drive and E drive. You just go there and copy it and paste it in the external hard drive. So first I will go to my C drive and find my C drive files. So I am loading my external hard drive, external hard disk. Yeah. So now it's showing you. This is my external hard disk. This is where I am gonna back up my files. This is where my backed up files will be placed. So go to the C drive and find the users folder. In the users folder you will find the account's name. Guru, that's my account name. If you just open it, you can see the desktop, pictures, music, and whatever other files you can find. C drive files, just go there and just copy it and then paste it in the external hard drive. And similarly for other drives you can just copy there or copy and paste it in the external hard drive. So this is the procedure guys. Thank you. Just follow the video. Thank you guys.